In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track when people open your emails using HubSpot. We'll start in the browser. Open google.com. In the search bar, type HubSpot Sales extension, then open the result that takes you to the Chrome Web Store. The HubSpot Sales extension connects your inbox to HubSpot so you can track email opens, log emails to the CRM, and get real-time notifications. It adds a tiny invisible tracking pixel to messages you choose to track. And when the recipient's email client loads images, HubSpot records an open and can notify you. Keep in mind that image blocking, privacy features, or multiple devices can affect how opens are counted, so treat it as directional insight rather than absolute truth. On the Chrome Web Store page, make sure the publisher is HubSpot. Then click Add to Chrome and confirm. If prompted, sign in to your HubSpot account and grant the requested permissions. It's a good idea to pin the extension so it's easy to access in your toolbar and refresh your inbox after installation so the tracking controls appear in your Compose window. Next, head back to your HubSpot dashboard and open Settings, the gear icon in the main navigation. In the left sidebar, go to Tools, then select Marketing. Choose Email to open your marketing email settings. If your menu looks different, use the Settings search bar to find Email. From there, find the Tracking section. This is where you control how HubSpot tracks engagement with your emails, including opens. Turn on the option to track email opens. With this on, HubSpot will notify you when contacts open the emails you send. Depending on your setup, you might see desktop notifications from the extension, and you'll also see open activity on the contact timeline in your CRM and in the notification bell inside HubSpot. Remember, some security tools or privacy settings can generate multiple opens or suppress them entirely, so always look at the broader context, reply rates, clicks, and follow-up conversations, alongside opens. Also, make sure your use of tracking complies with your policies and local laws, and consider letting recipients know that your emails may include open tracking. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. That's all you need to enable open tracking using HubSpot and the HubSpot Sales extension. From now on, when you send tracked emails, you'll have clearer visibility into who's engaging, so you can time your follow-ups more effectively and focus on the conversations that are heating up. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.